Hello, good day friends, welcome. In today's video I'm here to show you all how I've been able to earn over 2,000 US dollars trading ETH on this platform. Now I've made several videos concerning different ways that you can actually trade on this platform, and in today's video I'm showing you guys a live account how you can trade ETH, that is Ethereum. Now there are different ways that you can actually earn on this platform. There is a free package plan whereby for those people who are not having funds, you can actually trade here and you will earn real-time reward. You understand? You can win stuff such as like iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can win real-time reward like USDT for trading their demo account. Let me show you how the demo account look like. So for a demo account, you can actually trade on this platform making use of what a demo account, and then you win real-time reward. Like what I mean real-time reward, you get paid for meeting some threshold. Now for you to win real-time reward, that's if you don't have funds to trade, you just go to this what is called simulation. You can see this simulation right here. You click on it. For a demo account, there is some certain amount of funds that is being provided to you. Now as the word demo means is that account, the money that is there is not something that you can withdraw. However, it is a token that you can use to actually trade. So I've made different video concerning that, and I'm going to still be attaching that video. Now why I had to go through that route is for those people that are just seeing my channel for the very first time, and they might be feeling like, okay, what is BTC trading, what is ETH trading? Now you can use the simulation and you can trade and you win real-time reward. That is if you don't have funds to start with. Now all this detail and all this video guide, I'm going to create a separate playlist on them, so just go check the playlist section of this channel so you can actually watch them thoroughly and get started. If you don't have funds, you can actually trade here. If you have funds, you can actually trade here. So in this video, what I want to show you guys is what ETH. Now make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comment of this video. It's as well as the description box, so you can see in today's video what I want to focus on is how you can actually trade using ETH. Now I'm going to show you all the compensation plan for ETH. Now this is it. There are different ways that you can actually earn here, and there are different package plans. You can actually see it here. There are different users reward bonuses. You can see everything right here. You can see everything that I see right here. If you once you get started, you're going to receive a 10% bonus of the amount that you actually started with while trading. Now this account, what I'm doing here is that I'm live trading, you understand? So quickly let me just go back. Now there is a compensation plan for ETH, because most people have tend to ask me, they say, okay coach, what is the compensation plan for ETH? Because I've shown them the compensation plan for what BTC. Now the compensation plan for ETH is as follows. Now when you lose at least around $10 within 24 hours, what you are going to do is that it makes you eligible for a compensation plan. Now this is actually a juicy and interesting offer. There is no platform as that tend to give you like a compensation plan when you lose funds when it comes to what trading. However, this is one of the best platforms that I can actually recommend, because they are user friendly and you can actually start with a minimal capital and then you trade and you earn, most especially when you follow my trading strategy so you don't lose any money. So quickly let's get started. Let's start trading right now. Now in this video I'm going to be trading a live account so you can see how much we can actually earn. Now what I'm going to do is that I want to show you how you can actually place a trade. Now if you want to place a trade right here for BTC, for ETH, all you just need to do, let me go back to the home page. If you want to register an account right here, all you just need to do is you click down the pinned comment in this video and the description box of this video. All you just need to do while registering is what? Your email address and then a password. Make sure you save those details because you are going to need it. Now this is what is called BTC. This is ETH color. Now color one, once we want to trade, now you can see we have red, purple and green, right? And then if you look down here, you see what is called enter quantity, and then you see this minimize, and then you see x2, x3 and all. What this x2, x3 means is like it's a multiplier factor when you lose your first entry trade. Now if you want to trade here, you are going to actually be making use of a trading calculator. So let me go down to the trading calculator. All the details and link to the trading calculator, the link to the customer support, the link to how to register, every detail is going to be in the description box. However, if you are confused in any way, ask your question in the comment section and also find your way to my Telegram channel. So now I've clicked on what's the trading plan calculator. Now if I want to trade using the calculator, you can see you saw my actual balance, right? But there is a strategy that I've actually employed here. We are making use of the A-stage plan. Now what I do here is that instead of me, now the perfect thing for you to do while you are using the trading calculator is to impute your whole capital right now. But why I don't use my whole capital when it comes to trading here is that just in case because this is trading, right? And it's a business of profit or losses. So I created my own personal strategy that I will not lose my money or have to wait for a compensation plan. How I do that is that instead of going in full with my whole capital in using the trading calculator, I bring my amount that I'm going to start with around 100 USDT right here, so that just in case I lose at stage 8 and this trading goes down to like stage 14. I don't know if you are new here and you are confused, please ask your question in the comment section. Anybody that is an existing subscriber will quite understand what I'm saying, so I'm just being concerned based on new if new subscribers are actually watching this video. So what I'm just going to do here, I'm going to just bring it down in a number that my actual balance can carry me and I can keep on trading heading to stage 14, and then before that I know there's definitely going to be a win. So let's place a trade. Let me show you how to place a trade, guys. So now let's go back to ETH signal group. You can see the signals are being dropped right here. All you just need to note here is that there is a trade, there is the period ID, and there is the next issue. Now what the period ID means is this. Now go down to period ID. There is period ID right here, right? And we're making use of the 60-second signal group, right? This is the period ID. You can see it. There is what period. Look at it. Look at my screen carefully. And then this is what the choice of color. We have red, purple, and green. Now, what is the signal that is being given to us currently right now? Now, just based on the fact that there is a strategy applied to this, but I just want to place trade on a random because I'm just making a video. Let me just place a trade. Now, this is for 60 seconds. They say, okay, the trade type is green, and then recommended is X25. Now, I'm not going to go with X25 because I didn't actually start trading where they were trading. So let me just go with green, and let me just go with what 0.33. that's what we have in our calculator, and then we click on trade. You go down, you click on trade, and then you place your trade. Now based on the fact that I've taken time to understand this platform properly very well, I know most definitely this trade that is going to come in now, most likely it's not going to be a win. You understand? That's why I say why I'm able to understand this platform to this level is because of the fact of consistency. Let me place another trade again so you guys can understand. Now I go back here again. What you just need to take note of, what you choose the color type. I click on this, choose the color type, then you choose the number just in case if there is a multiplier, and then you want trade. So this is it. We have red, purple, and green. Please pay attention, red, purple, and green, and then I enter the quantity. Now if there is a loss based on the fact that, let's say the signal that was given, okay, you can see this signal that we placed, it was a win. So let's go confirm it. You see, you can never know it all when it comes to trading. Let's go check on it, my order. So you can see the trade that I placed right here was a win, right? So that's how you can actually trade. Choose the color, choose the amount you want to start with based on the trading calculator, and that's just basically everything. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. Ask any question if you have in the comment section. Thank you guys.